welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video from me going straight to curly, and I'm going to be showing you guys a deep treatment mask that I do all the time to help my curls come back to life. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is have one avocado, and we're going to cut it in half and put everything into the blender. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is take this coconut oil protein pack. I got mine from Walmart for about maybe $2. I used 2 packets of this and I just squeezed everything into the blender. So the next thing I'm going to use is organic coconut oil, and I know that the protein packet already has coconut oil in it, but I'm going to add 2 more scoops to it. Now I'm just going to take this aloe vera plant and I'm going to cut a decent size off the bottom. You can get this anywhere. I got mine from the grocery market. It was about maybe $3. It's really cheap. And I'm just going to take a generous amount off and I'm just going to scrape out the whole inside and just throw it on in there. Just adding the aloe vera to our little concoction that we made. Just making sure you scrape out all of the insides. Okay, when you're finished with everything, this is how it's supposed to look. I just added a little bit of water and honey to it. Make sure you blend up everything. You don't want little pieces stuck in your hair because that is a nightmare waiting to happen. I just made sure I shook it up and make sure everything is blended out properly. After everything is blended out, you should have this kind of consistency. It should be nice and whipped and there should be no chunks in it. And now I'm just making sure my hair is free of tangles and making sure that it's ready for the protein treatment. Now I'm just going to part my hair down the middle and we're going to put this piece up and we're going to work in one section at a time. Now I'm just going to separate that and we're going to work on the back piece first. When you're applying the protein treatment, I would start on the ends of the hair first because that's your oldest part of the hair and that's the weakest. So you want to make sure that you're applying a generous amount to it and you're raking it through your hair all the way to the root and making sure everything is saturated. Now I'm just basically going to do the same thing all over my head to each section. As you can see, the curls are already starting to come back to life. I'm just going to repeat the process on this side. What I like to do is just comb my hair and make sure everything is evenly distributed. I'm also making sure that my hair is 100% tangle free, and I like to start from the very ends of my hair and work my way up all the way to the root. As you can see, all of my curls pretty much came back already. Now what I like to do is just give myself a nice little scalp massage. Make sure I rub all the products in. I also rub my scalp to promote hair growth. Now what I like to do is just put my hair up and put a plastic bag over it. I'm also going to add a towel just to lock in all the heat. I'm just going to wait 1 hour before I rinse it out. Okay, I'm back. My hair is freshly washed, and now we're going to do one section at a time. I'm just going to put something around my shoulders so that way nothing gets on me. I'm just going to use an old t-shirt. So now I'm just going to spray my hair with cold water, and I like to detangle with a wire hairbrush. I always start from the ends and work my way to the root. So the first product I'm going to go in with is the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream, and I'm just going to use a generous amount, and I'm going to put that all over my section. So the next product I'm using is the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I love how thick this is, and I love how it defines my curls. So the next product I'm going to be using is the Taliah Waajid African Healing Oil. I swear by this product. I love how it locks in all the moisture, and I absolutely love the way it smells. Now I'm just going to repeat the process all over my entire head. I keep looking over to the side because that's where my mirror is at. As you can see, I have little to no shedding. When some of my hair is frizzy, I just like to take the pieces and wrap them around my finger just to define the curl a little bit more. I like working in small sections because it's just a lot easier for me to detangle my hair. Please ignore all my ugly faces I make throughout this video. I don't know why I look like that. So I'm just going to finish up my hair and I'm going to come back when my hair is dry. Okay guys, so I'm back. As you can see, I look completely different. I let my hair air dry for about 3.5 to 4 hours. The inside of my hair is still soaking wet and the back of it's still wet, but that's okay. Tomorrow morning I should be able to pick it out. Okay guys, so we reached the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it and enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, deuces.